Hey guys, what's up? 3D guys, back with another review here today, and today we have the screw-on bottle sprinkler. Well, spigot, sort of. Basically what happens is you screw this onto a bottle, and then all you have to do, here, I'll just screw it onto the bottle. All you have to do is put it onto the bottle like this. So, like, say you live in an apartment or something, or you had a class project to do, so you just print this out for the thing, and all you have to do is just all your plants. So that's what we did in class. I printed 2 of these out, which I have a picture on my front of my page. So I hope you guys like that. Let's go over time. About maybe 4 hours for a Finder, Flash Forge Finder, but that was on medium. I have never put this on low because I don't think it would do good on low because of where it prints. It goes like this after it gets to here. It starts going like this, like on an angle. So like I don't trust it. So that's why I've never done it like that. So for right now, this is all I have done. The purple one I didn't do a review on. It's with my aunt. She's using it all the time because she has all outside plants. She takes big bottles of water and screws it on for a long time. So that's my basic review. Print on a medium quality is very high quality, very smooth, has not broken yet. I can like pinch on it pretty well and it does not break. So that's pretty much it. And then on our next time I'll review the toy knife, the large toy knife. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.